Hey guys, Zepto is giving free cash plus free gift. Interested? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers as you see in the picture. These were some of the purchases we have made on Zepto. Grocery is available and veggies sabse sasta or fresh as you see in the picture at 70% off. You can check out as shown in the picture, and you can go to home essentials and you have everything under 249 rupees, and you can apply a coupon at the checkout as home needs as shown in the picture. Okay, I forgot to say something about free cash. As you see in the picture, these purchases were made with free cash plus coupon applied at the checkout, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. And not only that, you can avail free gift as well for orders above 499. As you see in the picture, this is ice cream sandwich cake, which you all know. It's yum. This is chocolate flavor. And if any of you love ice cream plus cake plus chocolate all in one together, you can have this and enjoy the flavor and the cravings which you have. As you see in the picture, now it's time we'll see what's the free gift. Here you can see you have this Korean beauty products free gift. Okay, as you see in the video, 3 to 4 Korean beauty products are given in the free gift box. You can enjoy and have Korean glossy skin, right? Now we'll see how to place an order on Zepto using free cash plus coupon at the checkout. Of course, free gift being added in the order, right? As you see in the picture, you can go to Zepto app. You can click on Zepto. Here you can click on 249 rupees special store, which is available for all of us, which Zepto caters your household needs or essentials, right? And you can see your coupon here, home needs 50. You can apply this coupon at the checkout and get 50 off on order value 250 and above, right? Okay, now get back and click on Zepto. Okay, once you click on Zepto, this kind of banner appears before you as 100 rupees credited to your wallet. You can see here as shown in the video, and you can use this free cash while placing the order. Now you can add to the cart the products you want, and here you can see a banner of free gift. This is beauty box, and the order value if you want to get this beauty box would be 499 rupees and above. Once you add all the products to the cart, go to cart, and you can see here if you want you can add pass, that is Zepto pass or membership, whatever you call. Otherwise you can leave it. Now come down and see whether the free gift is added, and once you confirm it, you can go down and select free cash. Here I have got free cash 100. I'm selecting that. Once you select that, you go to coupons and apply the coupon as match 50. So here you can see how I'm applying the coupon. It is MATCH 50 to get 50 off on your order. That's it, done. Now you can check out and place your order, right? Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you all.